tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of the Zebra ZC100 plastic card printer, a game changer in the world of ID card printing, loyalty cards, and so much more. This powerful device is packed with cutting-edge features that make it a must-have for any business or organization looking to elevate their card printing experience. So, let's dive right in and see what makes this printer so special. First off, let's talk about the Zebra ZC100 print technology, which utilizes sublimation and thermal transfer to produce high-quality cards. This means you get vibrant, full-color images and crisp, detailed text that's sure to impress. But what does this mean for you, the user? Well, with the Zebra ZC100, you can create professional-looking cards that reflect your brand's image and values. Whether you're printing employee ID badges, customer loyalty cards, or gift cards, this printer has got you covered. The sublimation process ensures that your cards are not only visually stunning, but also durable and long-lasting, withstanding the wear and tear of daily use. Another key feature of the Zebra ZC100 is its impressive print resolution of 300 by 300 dpi. This high-resolution printing capability means that your cards will have a level of detail and clarity that's unmatched by other printers in its class. But what are the real-world benefits of this high-resolution printing? For one, it allows you to include intricate designs, logos, and graphics on your cards without sacrificing quality. This is especially important for businesses that want to create visually appealing cards that reflect their brand's identity. With the Zebra ZC100, you can print cards that are not only functional, but also beautiful, making a great first impression on your customers, employees, or members. Now, let's talk about print speed, because who doesn't want to get their cards printed quickly and efficiently? The Zebra ZC100 delivers on this front, with a monochrome print speed of 1,375 cards per hour and a color print speed of 300 cards per hour. This means you can print large batches of cards in no time, making it perfect for high-volume printing applications. But what does this mean for your business? With the Zebra ZC100, you can streamline your card printing process, saving you time and resources that can be better spent on other areas of your operation. Whether you're printing cards for a large event, a new employee onboarding program, or a loyalty reward scheme, this printer has the speed and capacity to handle it all. In addition to its impressive print capabilities, the Zebra ZC100 also features a range of convenient and secure features, including a Kensington cable lock, an LCD display, and a fast Ethernet interface. These features not only make it easy to use and manage your printer, but also provide an added layer of security and protection for your device. With the Zebra ZC100, you can rest assured that your printer is safe from theft or tampering, and that you can easily monitor and control your print jobs remotely. In conclusion, the Zebra ZC100 plastic card printer is a powerful and versatile device that's perfect for any business or organization looking to take their card printing to the next level. With its advanced print technology, high-resolution printing, and fast print speeds, this printer is sure to impress. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and efficient card printer that can handle all your printing needs, look no further than the Zebra ZC100. Find the link in the description below to learn more about this amazing product and how you can get your hands on one today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your card printing experience.